How to turn off autoplay video on YouTube homepage. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can turn off autoplay video on YouTube homepage. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to turn off your autoplay video on your YouTube homepage, first head over to your YouTube, locate the app and then open it up. After you open it up, whenever you're on your YouTube feed, you will notice the videos just playing on the feed. So to stop that, head over to your bottom right corner, that is your profile icon, and after you're there, tap on the gear icon on the top right. After you are on the settings, you will then need to head over to general, which will normally be at the top of your settings. After you're on your general, you'll find an option that says playback in feeds. So there you will see under the description that says choose whether video play as you browse, and that is what we don't want, so we'll turn that off. For that, tap on playback in feeds and then simply tap on off. After you've selected off, you can then head back to your homepage, and then you'll notice that the videos will stop playing. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.